Have you ever been heating up milk, looked away for just a second to check your phone, and suddenly the milk boils over and spills everywhere? But when you boil plain water, it's totally fine. How does that happen? The secret lies in what milk is made of. Unlike plain water, milk contains a mixture of water, fat, and protein. Well, as the milk starts heating up, the lighter fat and protein slowly rise to the surface. Once they reach the top, the protein and fat merge together to create a sort of blanket or a fairly thick, tough, protective layer on the surface of the milk. When normal water boils, the hot steam can easily escape freely into the air. But in milk, this steam gets trapped. The hot steam from the bottom of the pot keeps trying to force its way out, but it's blocked by that fat blanket. Eventually, the steam pressure pushes the entire layer forcefully upwards. And boom! The bubbles are pushed over the edge, making a huge mess on your stove. Preventing this is super easy. Just place a wooden spoon across the top of the pot to pop the bubbles, or keep stirring the milk so the blanket doesn't have time to form. Easy, right? Don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on more mind-blowing science videos that I'll be uploading every day at 9 a.m. See you tomorrow.